Welcome. If you want to show like and share counts on Instagram using the PC app after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your like and share counts visible again, so you can keep track of your engagement and let your audience see the buzz around your posts. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 dots or a small menu icon. Click on it. A new menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This is where you can control many of your Instagram preferences, including privacy and display options. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Like and Share Counts. This is the area dedicated to how your likes and shares are displayed, both for your posts and the posts you see from others. Now, you'll notice an option that says Hide Like and Share Counts. If this toggle is turned on, your like and share counts are hidden from view. To make them visible again, simply disable this option. Click the toggle so it's turned off. That's it. Your like and share counts should now be visible on your posts and throughout your feed. This update gives you more control over how you engage with your audience. Whether you want to show off your growing popularity or just keep things transparent, it's all up to you. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime if you change your mind. Instagram lets you tailor your experience, so don't hesitate to explore other features in the settings menu as well.